Hi, Miss Nicole!
Hello, Miss Nadine!
And of course, bagong lahat, hello sa ating taberkadas.
Hello!
Yes, so ano naman yung mga katanungan ng ibang taberkadas natin?
Okay, so I have a question for you, Miss Neddy.
Okay.
As of the moment kasi, ang mga taberkadas, of course, marami nang nagfa-flight pa uwi at pabalik dito sa UAE. So, ang question ay, ano nga ba ang mga travel documents na kailangan i-prepare if sila ay pauwi ng Manila at pabalik ng Dubai or ng UAE?
Alright. So, meron tayong dalawang passengers. Meron tayong tourist and meron tayong residence visa holder ng UAE. So, for those OFW or currently holding a residence visa, pauwi ng Philippines, kailangan nila of course yung ticket copy.
Correct.
Yung kanilang original passport, no? Passport nila. And e-travel.
E-travel.
Yes.
Yung e-travel, Miss Neddy, ano yun? Gaano katagal siya bago i-fill out?
At least 48 hours na before the flight.
Okay,
They can try to
fill out the form.
fill out the form and then do the screenshot lang. Kasi in case, actually nakadetect naman na po yun sa passport natin. Pero in case merong immigration sa Philippines na hahanapin,
At least they
at
have
least meron silang maipakita.
QR code lang naman yun, di ba?
Yes, QR code lang po yun siya.
Noted.
And yun lang. Residence visa, Emirates
Madali lang.
ID. Oh, Emirates ID, passport, and kanilang ticket copy, then e-travel. Yun yung pauwi.
Okay.
Then pabalik naman as an OFW, they need to provide their of course ticket copy, their passport, their e-travel, their Emirates ID. They need to provide also the OEC or yung balik manggagawa.
Okay.
And then nasabi ko na ba, e-travel.
Oo. Yung OEC naman, Miss Neddy, kinukuha to before magbiyahe.
Yes.
Gaano
Para
siya
dun sa-
katagal?
Ang OEC is valid for 2 months.
Okay.
Alright. So, if ever na first time mong umuwi sa Philippines, then hindi ka pa nakapagpa-verified sa Philippine Consulate dito sa Dubai, kailangan mo munang magpa-verify and then they will inform you kung kailan mo or saan mo marireceive yung OEC or balik manggagawa mo na.
Pero kung naka-uwi na siya before,
You can just apply for a OEC exemption or balik manggagawa exemption
Online.
Through online.
alright.
siya.
Noted on.
Alright, so yun is para sa side ng OFW. Para naman po sa side ng tourist, pag pauwi ng Philippines, of course, they need their ticket copy, they need their e-travel, they need their passport, and they need their tourist visa.
Okay.
Okay?
Noted.
And then, yun lang, kasi pauwi naman na sila. Then,
Mabilis
pagpabalik
na lang.
naman na sila, of course, madami na naman yun, kasi turista sila,
Correct.
diba? So, for that checklist, para sa immigration, we can send you that one with the guidelines na din
Correct.
coming from your respective travel agent. Alright? So, I think
Okay.
I've answered.
Yes, thank you so much. And sana na-inform din ng maayos ang ating mga taberkadas. Thank you so much, Miss Neddy.
You're welcome. And of course, sa lahat ng taberkadas natin na meron karagdagang katanungan, please don't be shy or don't be hesitate to drop your question or comment here in our comment box below.